Gabrielle. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do some weird noises, and yeah, let's see. Okay, guys. Hope you haven't enjoyed joking. Hope you enjoyed. I know this will get 5.